Hello everybody, I am Asanduzaman Biswas. Today I came to discuss few more about JavaScript mouse event. I like to discuss today on mouse enter event, on mouse leave event, on click event, and on ondblclick event. I like to discuss these events related to mouse today. So I like to discuss it with examples. So let's start our JavaScript coding. So what I'll do, I'll write your script tag. Language is your JavaScript, and this is the end of script. So let us take an image, src, name of the image is pic.jpg. Great, and let us give it a height. Suppose we by default we give it size 50 pixel, and width we give here 50 pixel, right? So what we like to do now, let us see we are getting the image or not first. So I will save it. Okay, fine, I got the image. Now what I like to do, when I take mouse, when the mouse pointer enter into the image, its size will change, it will become large. So what is the event that is on mouse enter? Then what will happen, suppose this method will be called, so this method will be executed. So let us make a method here, a function here, whatever you say, function that is xyz. What will happen here, let us give this image a name. I like to give its name equal to what name? Suppose pic. I give this image this name. So what we will write in document, there is an image, its name is pic, and its style, what is style? Height will become 150. Okay, 150 pixel, and document dot pic dot style dot width will also become 150 pixel, right? I should write this within quotation, so let us write it within quotation. Okay, so I will check it works or not. Let us check it. Okay, save. I take mouse. Oh, fine, the size is changed. Now if leave, on mouse leave, if I take the mouse pointer out of the image, then let us give its name xyz1. This function will be called, means this function will be executed, right? Okay, so let me copy the codes and paste it here. Its name is 1, and this time the height will become 50, width also become 50. Okay, great. Now if we click on the mouse, means on click, let us, this function will be called, right? So now let us define this function. So I will copy it and will paste it here. Its name is 2, so let us the size will become like this. Okay, now if I double click on db click suppose this function will be called. So let us define the function. Let us copy the code and paste it here, K3, and let's make it, the size will become 500. The size will become 500. Okay, now let's go to output and check it. Okay, when you're taking the mouse here, its size becoming 150. If I click on here, look, size change 350, and if I double click here, oh no, but if I take mouse from the image, again it is returning to 50 pixel, right? Look, if I double click, its size is changing, and if I click, its size is also changing. So this is the this is the events we discussed here. Okay, your onmouseenter, onmouseleave, onclick, on dbclick. Okay, so look, if when you are going to this output, when you take mouse, okay fine, it increased to 150. When I clicking on here, it is working, but double click is not working because here I did spelling mistake. It will be ondblclick, right? I think this time it should work. Now if I go to output, okay, it's changed. When I took mouse over it, means when onenter event is occurred, then its size became 150. When I clicked, it became 350, and when I double click, look, it becomes 500 height and width, right? And when I take my mouse pointer from the image, means onmouseleave event occurred, then again it become 50 pixel height and width, right? So this is your on mouse over, on mouse enter, on mouse leave, on click, on dblclick event. So this is not on db, this will be on dblclick, means double click. Okay, so today after this, goodbye everybody. I will discuss more about this mouse event of JavaScript in my next tutorials.